Although it may not be exciting to drive, the Kia Forte represents a good value for shoppers who want advanced safety features, modern technology, and a new car warranty. The Forte's 147 horsepower engine and continuously variable transmission provide adequate power to pull the small car around town. Thanks to its wide doors and reasonable seat height, it's easy to get in and out of the Forte. The front seats are rather basic, and some testers noticed a lack of lower back support. The rear seat is particularly roomy for a compact sedan, and even adults should be comfortable back there. From the gear selector to the volume knob, the Forte's controls are simple to interpret and operate. Standard features include automatic climate control, plus Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility. Now, if you buy the popular LXS trim, you miss out on push-button start and keyless entry. Aside from convenience, the greater concern is that the key fob has tiny buttons, and it's hard to distinguish lock from unlock, especially when it's dark outside. We also found the fob to be unusually sensitive, and it would unlock or lock doors or even set off the alarm from a pocket or a purse. At least the Forte comes well equipped with safety equipment. Forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and lane keep assist all come standard. However, pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot warning are all optional. We paid just over $18,000 for our well-equipped Forte. There are a lot of great used cars in that same price range, but not all of them have the Forte's long 5-year bumper-to-bumper warranty coverage or standard advanced safety features. For more on compact sedans, check out consumerreports.org.